channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. So this video is going to be like really chill. You know, you saw in the beginning of this video that I went thrifting. That was actually one thrift store that I went to. I went to several different ones over the course of a few weeks, and I've accumulated some things that I'm going to share with you today. You guys know normally when I do my thrift hauls, they're like really small. Like I don't get that much stuff, but they're always good items. So today I have, for me, this is like a huge haul, and I can't wait to share the things that I got. So let's start with the first item. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna share is this. This is so cute. Honestly, it's just like I guess I don't know. Something that you can store stuff on, and I think I have it upside down. I do. So it goes this way. You can like kind of store things on it. Spice rack maybe, I don't know. If you're a person that likes essential oils, I think this would be really cute to like put your oils and stuff in there. Not only that, but maybe like nail polishes, your perfumes. It's just so much stuff that I'm thinking that I can do with this, and it is so cute. It was only like $2.99, so I snatched it up really quick because I knew that I would be able to do something to this and utilize it in the house. Let me show you guys this big box that I have, like of all the stuff that I got that I'm about to share. Okay, so let me show you. I have so much stuff in this box. Like it's packed full of things that I'm gonna share. Oh my God, I should be ashamed. All right, so now moving along, you guys already just saw this pig, so I thought he was super cute and I had to grab him. So I was into like the farmhouse style, like was it even last year? It's probably like a year and a half ago or something. I was really into the farmhouse style. I still like farmhouse stuff, but I'm not like all, oh my God, farmhouse, I'm not like that anymore. Like my style changes like all the time. So, but this pig was super cute, and I know that I can do something cute with him. And I like to mesh styles together. I don't know if you guys like to do that, but I do like to mesh styles together. So you can definitely do like country chic, farmhouse, country chic, boho, farmhouse, boho. You can mesh these things together and they still look amazing. So that's what I kind of like to do. I'm kind of free-spirited when it comes to that stuff. So I just knew that I had to grab this cute little pig because he's so super cute. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna share are these picture frames. So I've told you guys before in a previous DIY that I did that I love the picture frame section. Do not sleep on the picture frame section at your thrift stores because they always have some good frames, okay? So the first frame that I'm gonna share is this like rusticy kind of wood whitewashed frame that is so pretty, and the tag looks like might be a Marshall's tag. That's a shame. It's a shame that I know that. It looks like it's a Marshall's tag, but this is a super cute well stayed together, not broken picture frame that I picked up. It's a 5x7 with the mat, or if you take the mat out, you can use it as an 8x10. The next one is this wooden picture frame. I thought this was so pretty, and it is, you know, it's plain. It's the coloring and everything. So I would definitely color this, paint it, should I say, to match my style and my decor. But all in all, this is just a cute like picture frame. Again, this is probably like an 8x10, and I can definitely use this. So now I'm gonna share some of the glassware that I have gotten because I'm just so obsessed with glass right now. I don't know, it's so weird. So the first thing I'm gonna share is like this little cute genie in a bottle. It's red, definitely not my thing, so I will probably be changing it, but it's really, really pretty, very decorative, no cracks or anything in it. And I just thought this was so cute, and I had to pick it up, and it was only $2.99. And I just love the look of this. Literally right now I'm thinking of Jafar in the Aladdin. It gives me those type of vibes. So this was really like weird, but I got it because I just liked the, gosh, I'm gonna be so mad because I know the look that I'm talking, milk glass. I know the look that I'm talking about, but I can't think of it right now. So that's what this is, and I really liked it. So I was like, I know that I can like do something with this. So this used to be obviously a candle, but it's still cute in good condition, and I know that I can transform it and use it somewhere in the house. So this next thing that I'm going to show you is like my ultimate favorite. I cannot believe I found this, and I was so excited, and I was like looking around like, I mean, did no one else see this? Like, did they not? But it was, bam, this. I mean, how cute is this glass? This is so, and I mean, come on, this was so cute. Guess how much it was? I'm gonna give you a couple seconds. It was 99 cents. Oh, 99 cents. I love when I go into a thrift store and I find things that I'm like, dang, this was 99 cents. Because you know, if this was like in like Home Goods or TJ Maxx or something like that, it's definitely not going to be 99 cents. Pottery Barn even, it's not going to be 99 cents. So I was really, really stoked about this purchase. I'm so glad I found it and I snatched it up before anyone else could, because this is just so beautiful. It just needs to be cleaned up a little bit and it's going to be amazing. So honestly, I think this is one of the things that, you know, you can get out of, okay, no, I lied. This says it's a glass candy jar, but you know, like if you go into Marshall's or TJ Maxx or anything, they normally have these and they have like cotton balls and stuff in there. So I thought that's what this was, but it's not. This actually says it was a candy dish, originally $1.99, but I got this for 99 cents. So this is super cute to have. You can use it as storage, of course. You can just use it as decor. So again, that's why I love, like I'm having this obsession about just getting all the glassware that I can, because there's so much stuff that you can use them for. The next thing oops. The next thing I got was this really pretty, just small ceramic, I guess, bowl. This was 79 cents. And I mean, it's 79 cents, so I had to grab it. But this is so cute to just like decorate, you know, if you have an entryway or put it on like one of the, what are those, like a 3-tier tray. You could just use this to decorate with in general. So I like to get little items like this to decorate when I'm doing like my DIYs or when I'm decorating my furniture. So these are really good to stock up on. So moving along, I feel like I had more glassware, but I don't know where it is. I think I had got like this fishbowl thing. Don't know where it is, but I'm gonna insert the clip. So it's like this huge kind of fishbowl looking thing that I got for a DIY that I was gonna do, but I changed my mind. So I'm not gonna do that with the bowl anymore. I don't know what I'm actually gonna do with it, but I have it. So I might just get a fish. And put it in that bowl. So anyways, let's continue on. So the next thing that I got was this. I really don't know what this is, but I thought it was so pretty. It came with this, so they were together, but they like taped them together. So I don't know how it goes, but this is gorgeous. And this is definitely something that I would use to like decorate with. If someone knows how this goes, let me know. If you know what it is, let me know. But I don't know how, because I feel like it's supposed to go like this, but if you do that, then you won't be able to see the decoration and the inside. So I don't know. I don't know, y'all, but I just thought that this was really pretty, and this would be really cute to decorate with. And I think this was only like $3.99. I should have shared this with the rest of the picture frames, but I got these. So these are the Reba from Ikea. I think we have an Ikea here. I don't know where it is, but I've literally only been to Ikea one time in my life, and that was in Charlotte, and I've never been to Ikea again. So whatever. So anyways, this is a picture frame from Ikea. I don't know what I'm talking about. And I thought it was cute. I mean, I guess it's not really a picture frame, or you can make it a picture frame. It's kind of like a shadow box. I don't know. But I got 2 of them because they were still in good condition. This one even has the attachments to put this up, whatever. And so I just got both of these. They were $1.99. So if you shop at Ikea a lot, let me know if $1.99 was worth me getting these, because I honestly don't even know how much they actually cost at Ikea. So the next thing that I got were these huge clips. These huge clothes clips. I don't even know why I got them. I just thought they were cute. I want to redo, like, just do like a quick little makeover redo of our laundry room upstairs, and I thought these would be so cute. They're so big and bulky. I got 4 of them, and they're all different colors, and of course you guys know I'm not gonna keep them these colors, no, but they were so cute. They were $1.29 a piece, and I just grabbed them. And I probably really don't need them, but I grabbed them. So going back to picture frames, I picked this one up too, and this one is really, really pretty. The black itself is already really, really pretty, and I love the detail carvings in this picture frame as well. That's why I got it. So again, don't sleep on the picture frame section. Go in there, check them all out, because you will be surprised at what you will find. They actually have some good picture frames in there. So this is the next thing that I got. I've been obsessed with like wire words. I want to do like a DIY trying out wired words because I think they're so pretty. And so when I saw this, I had to get it, and it just says, "You got this." So I would definitely like spray paint this a different color, but I thought this was so cute, and it was only $1.99. Cute. This is definitely like seasonal decor, but it was cute and I couldn't leave it in the thrift store. So it's just this cute little jack-o'-lantern. I thought it was so cute with the like paper bag look. I got 2 of them. They were 99 cents. Y'all, whenever I see something that's 99 cents, I'm like, throw it in the bag because it's 99 cents. I mean, come on, 99 cents. So I got both of them that were there. I thought these are so cute, and I will be using them this year for Halloween. So we are officially finished with this box of my treasures. My husband, if he saw this, would say it is junk, and I collect too much stuff because I really do. I have a whole bunch of stuff that I get. So, but I do have this basket that I have to share because I totally forgot about it. But this is a really cute basket. Oh my gosh, when I found this, I was like, ooh, this is so cute. Oh my god, I already know what I'm gonna do with it. Of course, it's gonna need a good cleaning, and it's actually broken like right here, but you really can't tell, and that's gonna be easily fixable. So yeah, so I got this. I thought this was so cute. It's a nice little huge tray basket. I want to say I paid like $2.99 for this. It was either $2.99 or $3.99, and we all know that in the store it would not be that price. So I was super happy when I picked this up. So also the next thing I got, feeling like a Martha Stewart, a barefoot Contessa, or who else? I don't know, because I really don't watch the barefoot channel. I don't watch the Food Network like that, so I don't know who else to say. But looking like one of those people with one of these lovely little baking dishes. So this is from Good Cook, and I thought this was so beautiful. So like if I ever felt like baking something, I could put it in this and it would look gorgeous. So pretty. I had to get it. It was only $2.99. I was like literally in there contemplating to myself, Ashley, do you really need this? Are you really going to utilize this? Because you know you don't bake. But I had to get it because I thought it was so pretty. And I mean, it's just nice to have nice dishes. So that's why I got this one, and I just think it's so adorably cute. So now I've showed you all of the little things that I got from the thrift store. Again, all of this stuff has been just an accumulation of me getting things and stocking them all up to do a video. And so now I'm going to share some of the larger items that I got. And the first one is this beautiful mirror. Oh my god, you guys know I was just talking about how I love mirrors, and so I had to add this to my collection. I absolutely love this mirror. The detailing on the mirror is so beautiful, and I think this mirror was like $8.99. I feel like it might have been less than that, but I don't remember. But it was really beautiful, and I was going up against this one and another mirror, and another lady was actually looking at this mirror too, and guess what? Your girl snagged the mirror because I knew that she was gonna grab it if I didn't. So I took it, put it in my buggy, which I didn't have a buggy, but I was holding it, and I just felt so accomplished. So I brought it home, and I love how this mirror looks, and I cannot wait to use it in the future because I don't think I'm gonna be using it anytime soon, but it's a part of my stash now. So the next thing that I picked up was this chair. So I was super excited about this chair because I have been a lover of the deconstructed chairs. I don't know if you guys have heard of them, if you've ever seen them, but I really like that style. I love the look. So I'm thinking about doing that with this specific chair that I got. I asked you guys on my Instagram, if you followed me, should I get this chair? And a lot of you guys said yes. Then I asked, like, did you think I forgot about the chair? Because it was like 2 days later or 3 days later. And I just went back and I picked it up. And I just love the chair. So I'm always kind of like skeptical, and I don't really like to get things that have fabric and stuff on them because I'm terrified of bed bugs. But I said a little prayer over this chair, and honestly it's just been in our kind of like in the garage, and I like sprayed it down and everything. But I will definitely, of course, be taking that fabric off, and my mind is just running with ideas of what to do with the chair. But the number one thing is to do the deconstructed chair look, because I love that look, and I love the fact that the back of the cushion of the chair comes off and it has this just really like ribbed look, and it's so beautiful. So I love the chair. So glad that I grabbed it, and I will definitely be doing a DIY showing you guys how I transform that chair, and I honestly can't wait for it because that chair is gorgeous. Okay, so the last items that I got were these really big metal art things. I don't know, I like a decor. So metal decor, and they're so pretty, and I think it was 6 of them. So I had this idea to kind of like panel them down the wall, like have them come down the wall, and of course they won't be the color that they are, but I love them. They're so pretty, and they were like, I don't remember, $4.99, $2.99, $3.99, something like that a piece. And I grabbed all of them because first I was just gonna get like 2, but then I was like, no, I can't leave the other ones. So I snagged those 2 and brought them home. So I cannot wait to transform those 2 and add them in the house because they're so pretty. I love them, and I can't wait to show you guys the transformation for those and where they're gonna be in here. So that is it. That's all of the things that I picked up from the thrift store. I hope you stuck with me through this video because I honestly don't know how long it's gonna be because, you know, I'm just filming it right now. But I'm so excited about all of the items that I found. If you have a favorite item that I found, let me know down below in the comments. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait for all of these transformations that I do to share with you guys. And if you enjoyed this video, of course, as always, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button and you hit that notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! I honestly can't believe I got through this whole thing without my camera dying. No, not dying, but actually the memory just being like, girl, you don't got no more memory. I really didn't do that. But anyways, bye guys, and I'll see you in my next one.